To talk about artificial intelligence is to talk about the science that try to create programs or machines in order to mimic human behavior and understand it, so that is able to learn, to recognize, and think. Artificial intelligence has been everywhere for many years, and every day it becomes more important and necessary nowadays. This starts in 1950 with Alan Turing, who is well known as the father of artificial intelligence, who is world famous for his article Comparing Machinery and Intelligence, which he proposed the famous Turing test, which is considered of determining whether a machine was intelligent or not. In 1956, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Carl Shannon, scientists of the time, cognited that term artificial intelligence during a conference, said that the society would coexist with intelligent machines. This did not happen until the 90s, given the amount of the data that exists. We should not be afraid to talk about the artificial intelligence. They are not robots trying to take over the planet as we see in the movies. We are responsible for their behavior. That is why today we have such technological tools that promote the advancement of the science and the physics. As a result of this coexistence with technology, it is already common to use artificial intelligence systems since we take a taxi and it use the most optimal route, or when we make a online purchase and we use chatbots, or when we publish a new photo in our social network and it is automatically recognize our face. The life cycle of the artificial intelligence starts with data. The humans have become an infinitive source of them. The information that you share on the web, such as purchase, quotes, payments, or bank transfer, are valuable to any entity or business and that could be leveraged for different purposes. Have you ever wondered why, while you were surfing the internet, an advertisement appeared with the image of the shoes that you were looking at? This happens because companies store all the data in this recording in the data, such as your interests, your family, tastes, and places, and your goals. These data are used for the creation of the application without artificial intelligence, such as the health, agriculture, fishing, mining, retail, and etc. The idea is to take advantage of this data and use its input to create machines that perform very complex cognitive tasks similar to those of human beings. There are several applications, such as Waze, that is fit with real-time information from the all divers that are traveling using the data, which through algorithms offers optimal routes. Other applications perform facial recognition, language translation processing, or the recognition of written characters. We are using artificial intelligence on daily basis and we don't even realize of it. For example, virtual assistants, personalized recommendation, intelligent searches, among others. In China, a policeman used glasses of the airport to identify a suspicious person and Amazon used robots in their warehouse. The benefits of using artificial intelligence in country translate into resource optimization. Companies, by knowing their customers better, can develop target marketing strategies and personalize the type of the content that their customers consume every day. One of the challenges that companies face is to increase personalization of their companies. For this is necessary to involve and risk investing in digital innovations related to create competitive advantage, focus on customer service and focus on the customer satisfaction. Another challenge is investment in human capital, which seeks to boost the skill of the workers and motivate them to participate in the development of the system that use artificial intelligence, and this reduce the risk of their activities being automated. To apply artificial intelligence in the new business, we must first analyze what advantage and disadvantage this has in the future and how it could improve our business development as a society and also as an individual people. The purpose of putting artificial intelligence to good use is to recognize how we can boost our creativity and this develop and balance artificial intelligence meets real expectations. This achievement better result in all the future areas and also add good result as a society. We have to be aware of the responsibility that we have when handling artificial intelligence tools, for example, controlling data privacy, and even more if we achieve progress in the future where autonomous vehicles, drones, personal assistant, or security robots are used. Artificial intelligence system must be accessible to everyone, taking into account the diversity of the cultures, avoiding the discrimination and promotion the equality. This must have development where all parties are involved, regardless of any disability. The advance of artificial intelligence will make us grow as a professional people, but at the same time, we must to have the capacity of technological adoption and also the capacity to innovate. With these technological tools, we're going to open in the window of the developing countries where a technological revolution begins. There are three key things if we want to adhere tools based on the artificial intelligence. The first characteristic is the creativity, the second is the technology, and the third one is the cognitive systems. If we master these three things, we will be able to grow with the technology. The people with the best chance of getting ahead will be those who have knowledge on artificial intelligence and will more advantage. With this, we want to promote creativity through technological development and also growth as a society since it will more valuable in the future to master machines. And my question for you is how would you apply the artificial intelligence?